Welcome to section 4. Again, I'm Coach Hill with the Shaolin Tiger Broadsword. In this section, we're just going to teach you a very simple add-on to what we did the last time. Remember, we ended with the sword coming up behind our back, placed into the small of the back. We're going to bring our left hand up. We're going to step behind, doing an elbow and a claw to our left side, right side in this case. So again, we have our flip on the back, turn. Here we're going to do a crescent kick with our right foot, inside crescent. Feet down, left hand coming up, a little shuffle back, and we're going to do 4 upward cuts or 2 upward X's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to step 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to step 1 more time as we drop our sword to our right side. Okay? So, again, flipping behind the back, turn, kick, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right foot ends up forward. And 1 more time. Again, flipping behind the back, turn, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll see I got a couple extra steps in there when you start moving at a very quick pace. So practice that, get that down, add that to the rest of the form, and we'll see you in the next section.